Yes, I see.
Okay. I'm going to read from the transcript, page 32 of the transcript dated the 2nd of November 2023. Mr. Mukhane, suspect charged. You understand?
Yes, I
It's
see.
Mr. Mukhane who is testifying in court. He says, suspect charged. What does that mean?
So it means that he has prepared his accused to be ready to be taken to court and appear in court on that particular charge.
Siyafunda ke lana ubhaliwe umsolwa wathweswa icala kusho ukuthini lokho kusho ukuthi ke manje ke yena ke usethweswe icala ke futhi usekulungeleke ukuthi angamthatha ke aye enkantolo.
And, okay, let me continue in that paragraph. Detective Sergeant Mukhane of National Cold Case Unit charged one male suspect, you understand?
Yes, I see.
Of murder on Nongoma case 163/6 of 2018. Mr. Mukhane is saying he's charged one male suspect under murder case Nongoma case 163/6/2018.
I'm following.
Kubhaliwe kuyaqhubeka ke lana Detective Sergeant Mukhane obuya ngaphansi kwa National Cold Case Unit wathwesa icala umsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa lokubulala Nongoma case 163/10 of 2018.
So Sergeant Mukhane here is saying he himself, as Detective Sergeant Mukhane, charged the suspect, which is Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, under the case number wherein Mr. Ntanzi was not the suspect, according to the records of SAPS.
On 163, there is no Bongani Ntanzi that was charged.
Lana ke umnumzana Mukhane uthi ke wathwesa icala umnumzana uNtanzi la khona ke usho khona ke ngokwama record ukuthi ke akasiyena wayengayena umsolwa ngaphansi kwakhe 163/10 of 2018 uBongani Ntanzi wayengayena umsolwa.
Okay. Tell us then, Lieutenant Colonel, is there wherein in the records of the SAPS system it appears that Sergeant Mukhane charged the suspect, which is Mr. Ntanzi, under this case number and recorded into the docket, as we have explained the procedure before this court?
On the record of the SAPS system, there is no person by the name of Bongani Ntanzi that was charged. And also on the docket, I do not have a male person by the name of Bongani Ntanzi that was charged. Nongoma case 163 of 10. 2018, my lord.
Kuma record yile ku system yethu akukho la khona ke umnumzana uBongani Ntanzi wayemsolwa khona ke ngaphansi kwakhe 163/2018 nokuthi nakulona ke idokodo akekho umuntu wesilisa oBongani Ntanzi owayethweswe icala noma echargiwe khona lapho.
And you said the investigating officer of the case will then record in the docket that the person has been charged on this particular date.
That is correct, my lord.
Uyasho ke ukuthi ke umseshi noma umphenyi wale icala uzobe sebhala ke kulona ke idokodo mayelana nako ke lokho yebo ngosenkantolo ngisho kanjalo.
So there is no date that is reflected or contained in the police docket in front of you saying that Bongani Ntanzi was charged under this case as a suspect?
Not at all.
Akukho ke onako noma idate nayo ke eshoyo ukuthi uBongani Ntanzi wathweswa icala ke ngalo lelanga leli noma ngayo le date lena lutho ngosenkantolo.
Okay. Now let's read the OB entry 532.
Thank you, my lord. This is an entry that was made on the 19th of June 2016, OP 532.
On the?
2020.
Sorry, on the date?
On the 19th of June 2020.
Okay.
The OP 5 suspect charged by Detective Mukhane of National Cold Case Unit charged one male suspect of murder on Nongoma case 163/06/2018, Bongani Ntanzi, SAP 40 number 64 of 6/2020, SAP 14 number A 512-66765. Charged correctly without any complaint or visible injuries. Correctly charged, and then the postman of the IO signs.
Lana ke ngazo i19 kuJune 2020 ngaphansi kwakhe u532 isikhathi u235 intathakusa umsolwa uthweswe icala Detective Sergeant Mukhane we-National Cold Case Unit wathwesa icala umsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa lokubulala ngaphansi kwaNongoma case 163/6/2018 uBongani Ntanzi cell 6406/2020 SAPS 14A S1 266765 wathwesa icala ke ngendlela ekuyiyona noma kahle engalimele noma akukho awayikhala ngako nokulimala okubonakalayo nokuthweswa kwakhe ke icala kwenziwa kahle kwase kuyasayinwa.
Am I correct, Lieutenant Colonel, to say, from my understanding of that entry that we have just read into the record, entry number 532, that was recorded on the 19th of June 2020, it means Mr. Ntanzi, it says, the entry says Mr. Ntanzi was charged under the Nongoma case wherein Mr. Bongani Ntanzi was not a suspect.
Yes, he was not a suspect.
Ngabe ngizwa kahle ukuthi kuloko oqeda ukufundwa ke lana kusho ukuthi ke uMnumzane Ntanzi wathwesa icala ngaphansi kwaloko icala leli lakwaNongoma 6163 10 of 2018 la awayengayena umsolwa khona. Yebo, wayengayena umsolwa.
Okay, let's go back to the transcript. On page 33, line number 2. It says, under Mr. Mukhane, line number 2, there is also another entry on that very same Friday, 2020/6 of 2019, serial number 534, at 4:50, prisoner transferred. Detective Sergeant Mukhane of National Cold Case Unit with one male suspect of murder, indistinct, 160/10 of 2018, the case, 1 Bongani Ntanzi, cell 64/6/2020, SAP 14A, was fetched to Foster's Court without any injuries to complain.
Yaqhubeka ke ku page 33 ngaphansi koMukhane. Khona ke okunye futhi okubhaliwe ke ngalolu hlanu loyo ke wange 19 zika June 2020, inamba ke kungu 534, isikhathi ke u450 ukuthi ke umsolwa wayese ehanjiswa noma endluliswa ke Detective Sergeant Mukhane we National Cold Case Unit nomsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa icala lokubulala 16/10/2018, icala uBongani Ntanzi cell 6406/2020, walandwa eFosforus noma ke walandwa ke ukuya enkantolo yaseFosforus engenako ukulimala noma engalimele kungekho futhi ke ayekhala noma ekhononda ngako.
I'm following, my lord.
Ngiyalandela nkosenkantolo.
Okay. So now it means the suspect is booked out to court. Am I understanding this entry correct?
That is correct, my lord.
Lokhu ke kusho ukuthi ke manje umsolwa usiyakhishwa ke uye enkantolo. Ingabe ngikufunda kanje ngendlela ekuyiyona? Yebo nkosenkantolo.
Okay. So the suspect was arrested on the 16th of June 2020 under the case Nongoma case number that does not exist in the SAPS, and he is now taken on the 19th, which is 3 days, to court. Is booked out to court now. Is still booked under the Nongoma case number that does not exist as the case number for a murder.
Sorry. That is correct, my lord. I follow.
Kusho ukuthi ke waboshwa nge-16 zika June 2020. Manje ke emuva ke kwamalanga amathathu nge-19 zika June 2020 uyahanjiswa ke uya enkantolo ngaphansi kwalo ke icala leli ke u16310 of 2018 awangasiyona ke umsolwa kulona. Yebo ngiyeza ukuthi inkantolo.
It's correct. He was not a suspect.
Yebo kuyiqiniso wayengayena umsolwa.
We know that's the evidence that is before this court. We know that this case was not enrolled, but I'm not there. My question to you is that you remember there is the entry that we have referred to you wherein the suspect was booked in transit.
That is correct, my lord.
Siyazi ke ukuthi ke icala ke lalingekho noma langabhaliwe ke ezincwadini zasenkantolo angikho lapho. Kunala ebesifunde khona ke kwakuthi ekuthi khona ke umsolwa wayehamba noma kufanele ukuthi ke uyahamba.
Okay. Do you have in that docket any entry reflecting that the suspect by the name of Bongani Ntanzi was charged and taken to False Laura's Court on the 19th of June 2020?
There's no such entry, my lord.
Khona ke onako kwidokodo leli lapho ke ukuthi ke noma okubhaliwe ukuthi ke ngazo 19 za June 2020 umsolwa ekubongani Ntanzi wahanjiswa ke ukuya enkantolo yaseFosforus. Akukho okunjalo okubhaliwe.
And is not recorded in the system of the SAPS.
That is correct, my lord. It is not recorded, my lord.
Akukho ke naku system ke yamaphoyisa kuyiqiniso lapho nkosenkantolo.
From your experience now, you said how many years of experience do you have as a detective?
Detective, 30 years, my lord.
Minyaka ke nginayo ngiwudetective u30.
In your 30 years of service in the SAPS, have you taken a suspect to court for the prosecutor to charge him and not you charging the suspect?
I never, my lord.
Kuminyaka yakho ke onayo ke emaphoyiseni usuke wamthatha yini ke umsolwa waya naye enkantolo ukuthi ke ayothweswa icala noma amacala umshushisi engathweswa kuwena cha nkosenkantolo.
This question also, it's not the evidence that has been tendered by Sergeant Mukhane, but I'm asking you from the experience. When the case or the suspect is taken to court after being charged, it may happen that the matter is enrolled. It may happen that the matter is not enrolled. It may happen that the matter is withdrawn. It may happen that the matter proceeds to trial. Do you
That is correct,
understand?
my lord. That is correct.
Manje ke umsolwa ke uyahamba ke uye enkantolo akusibona ke ubufakazi buka Mukhane ke lo kodwa umbuzo ngibuza wona kungenzeka ukuthi icala alibhaliwe incwadini zasenkantolo libhaliwe ngenzeka ukuthi icala ke abasaqhubeki nalo liyahoxisa noma ke lizoqhubeka liqulwe.
And all those steps that are taken by the prosecutor in court happens after a suspect has been formally charged by the SAPS.
That's correct, my lord.
konke-ke lokho okuqeda kushiwo-ke manje inkantolo kwenziwa umshushisi kwenzeka emuva kokuthi-ke umsolwa esethweswe icala noma amacala amaphoyisa yebo.
Thank you, Lieutenant Colonel. I'm now going to take you back.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial.